Master the phrasal verb, set off. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we are delving deep into the world of phrasal verbs. Our special focus for the day is the verb combination, set off. This interesting English phrasal verb has multiple meanings and usages, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use set off like a pro. So, what does set off mean? Well, set off is a phrasal verb which combines the verb set with the preposition off. Phrasal verbs can be a bit tricky because their meaning is often different from the individual words they are made up of. In the case of set off, there are two main meanings. 1. To start a journey. This is perhaps the most common usage of set off. For example, we set off for Paris early in the morning. 2. To cause something to happen or be activated, especially an alarm or an explosion. For instance, the fireworks set off the car alarm. Now, let's put set off into practice. Understanding the definition is one thing, but actually using it in a sentence can be another. Don't worry, though, here are some examples to guide you. If we're talking about starting a journey, you could say, they set off on their trip to the mountains at dawn. She sets off for work at 7:30 every morning. In terms of causing something to happen or be activated, here are a couple of sentences. Careless handling of the fireworks set off a small explosion. Don't touch that button. It might set off the alarm. Set off can also be used in questions and negative sentences. Here's how. Questions. When are we setting off for the airport? Did he set off the smoke alarm again? Negative sentences. We haven't set off for our vacation yet. She didn't set off the alarm when she left. Alright, that wraps up our in-depth exploration of the phrasal verb, set off. Remember, it can mean either to start a journey or to cause something, like an alarm or explosion, to happen. Just like any new vocabulary, the best way to make set off a part of your regular vocabulary is to use it as much as possible. Try to make a few sentences of your own. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be setting off on your own journey to mastering English. See you in the next video.